How the heck did you get up there, Cookie? Huh? You flew, right? He's actually a good flyer.
No, I'm surprised.
You're stuck now. What are you gonna do now? You're stuck. Can't get at Newman.
Why did Cookie fly in? He was what got him off the floor.
I said, don't bug me, and I moved the broom towards him. He was trying to fight me, right? While I was doing dishes. He's trying to figure out how to get down. Oh my God! You landed! Good boy! Look at those wings, you're so tired! Yeah, they're so tired, those wings. They look broken, but they're not. Because he's not screaming. They just get stuck, right? After he flies, it takes him a while to fluff them in again for some reason. Hey? Did you see that, Newman? He's an amazing flyer. Good boy. Oh, now those wings are tucked up perfect again. That was excellent, Cookie. So are you guys all impressed with Cookie now? Hmm?
This is the life of Bobo Bobo. This is the life of Bobo Bobo. This is the life of Bobo Bobo.